Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Snapchat banned device. Now the first thing that we need to do is check if there's need to update your Snapchat. Go to your app store, search for Snapchat, and if it will prompt you to update it, please update it. There will be a new system that might fix the bug, then that will really help. But if not, then the second thing that you would need to do is go to your settings, click on it, and go to General, click on iPhone storage. And from here, you need to scroll down and look for Snapchat. Tap on it, and here you just need to offload the app. Offloading the app will help you clear cache and might be possible any bug, and reinstall the app. And if ever that will not fix the issue of your Snapchat, here's the last thing that you can do. Go to your browser and search for Help Center Snapchat. Now you just need to click on the first link that will pop out. And there will be a lot of options to choose from. You can say, my account is compromised, I lost my snap streak, I can't access my account. And you just need to follow the prompts and report a problem to Snapchat. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.